In order to run your LED lights down your stair rail, you're going to need an additional LED light strip as well as a T-splitter. You want to take the end of your LED light strip and line it up with the feed of the T-splitter. You want to make sure that you line the top up with the light side of the rail. You want to make that connection, and then you want to pull the shrink tube up over that connection, and you want to use a heat gun to shrink that around to lock that connection in place.
Now that your connections are made, you're going to want to drill a 3/4 inch hole through the universal angle bracket and through the post at the top, and then through the post at the bottom as well. This will allow you to get the LED strip into this top rail and out into this post.
So now with your holes drilled out, you want to feed the end of the T-splitter down to a partner to feed it out the bottom hole.
Then connect this end of the T-splitter to your LED strip that'll run through your top rail.
Again, make sure all your connections are done with the shrink tube and heat gun to ensure that those connections are going to last a long time.
Now feed the other end of your LED strip into your bottom post. Put in your top rail and stick the sticky side to the underside of that top rail. An important tip if you're going to be doing glass pickets in your stair rail, make sure you put your gaskets in place first before you stick the LED so that it can run on the inside of the gasket. Another bro tip, if you're going to be running your LED lighting up the other side of your stairs, get a 13-foot patch cord, and then you're going to connect that to the end of your LED lighting, down your post, under the tread, and up the other side. Now you have one continuous line.